Hi everyone. Recently, I've come across this look on Instagram very often, so I've decided to try and attempt this look. This look is going to be very minimal. It is going to be clean matte base and no blush, no highlighter, really subtle eye look, and bold red lips. So let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to moisturize my face. You can use the moisturizer of your choice, but just make sure that your moisturizer, the ingredients of your moisturizer and your foundation are similar. After moisturizer, I'm going to apply primer. You should focus the primer mainly on your T-zone because that's where your skin tends to get oily. So I'm starting with the center of my face and then spreading it outwards. Next I'm going to color correct. I'm using a concealer shade that is darker than my actual tone. If you have really greenish tint around your mouth, then you should use orange color corrector. Otherwise, what happens after your makeup is done, then your makeup around your mouth will turn ashy. So it's better to color correct with an orange color corrector because orange will cancel out the greenish tint. On the color corrector, I'm going to apply some loose powder to dry it. I'm going to apply foundation. I'm going to use a flat brush like this one for foundation. Start with the center of your face. I'm going to take a wet beauty blender and just blend the foundation. Next, I'm going to highlight my face. If you want more coverage from your concealer, then the trick is to wait for 2 minutes after you apply it, then blend it, so you'll get a full coverage. In the meanwhile, I'm going to shape my eyebrows. If you're seeing her eyebrows are really thin, so I'm going to keep the shape natural and thin. The goal is not to look like her, the goal is to do a makeup like hers. So I'm just going to go with the natural shape of my eyebrows. That's it for my eyebrows today. Now I'm going to blend my concealer. Next I'm going to take a little bit of loose powder and then set my under eyes. So next I'm going to contour my face. If you have seen her photo, her contour is quite below her cheekbone. So I'm going to contour my face accordingly. Usually I keep my contour really up, but today I'm going to keep it a little down. Her cheekbones are high without any blush, so I'm going to apply some loose powder over it. I'm going to use my fingers to contour my nose. For my eye makeup, I'm going to use a light base first. I'm going to apply some loose powder. For my eye makeup, I'm going to be using this Minimalist palette by Profusion Cosmetics. The eye makeup is really simple. We are not going to complicate it. I'm going to take this dark brown shade. With a fluffy brush, I'm going to apply it all over my lid. I'm going to clean the edges with a clean brush. I'm going to take the same shade on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this matte shade and apply it here that it looks clean. I'm going to take an angular brush. I'm going in with the same shade, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this shade really close to my lower lash line. It instantly creates an effect of a big eye. If you have seen the photos clearly, then you can see that she has a really thin eyeliner. She also has a little bit of a wing. So I'm going to create the same. I'm going to use this Colossal Bold Liner by Maybelline. It dries matte, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to list all the products in the description box below. I'm going to apply the liner from the middle of my eye. I'm keeping it really close to my lash line. You can see I have created a really small wing. Not going in with the full liner. I'm going to just tightline my upper waterline and then that's it. Make my eyes look bigger, I'm going to apply some nude eye pencil. I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to apply this shade, which is similar to the previous shade on my lower lash line. So just for a guideline, I'm going to take this light brown lip liner. I'm going to apply lashes off camera, so I'll come back with the final look. I have applied falsies which look really natural, and this is the final look. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.